All right, this is Justin Rohner from Agriscaping.com. So it's a wonderful Green Thumb Thursday, and we got some great tips and tricks for you. Good bug, bad bug. The summer heat's starting to wane in, and your winter and spring gardens are probably on their way out. We'll show you a couple of tricks on how you can turn your garden into a true organic, pesticide-free garden that's going to go throughout the entire summer for you well. So here's some of the tricks. So we're going to focus in first on some of our kale plants from our spring and winter season. You can see these things look kind of wilted out, and this is a good sign that right underneath the leaf we've got a bunch of plant lice, or otherwise known as aphids. We got them in different ages. The little light colored ones, those are the younger ones, and we got the ones with wings, are the more mature ones. Now we let these guys continue to grow because we were wanting to attract some of the good bugs. And one of the good bugs we love to attract is actually on the plant right next door. We got a bunch of them. They're all over the place. Here's one that's kind of crawling around on this thing here. So that right there, as creepy as it looks, I think it kind of looks like the dragon from How to Train Your Dragon, Toothless. So just think of it as a nice little bug. It's like Toothless, but this is actually the pupa of the ladybug or ladybird bug. So ladybugs devour aphids like crazy. Now, just about a week ago, they were all over these kale plants, but now they've moved over to our dill and to our celery, and they've started to pupate. And so what they're doing is that they actually curl up, and you can see them on this upper one here, and they turn into a nice little shell. They get a little shell on the outside, and they basically metamorphosize inside of that little thing and then turn into the ladybug that we all know and love. And then they'll come out and then crawl back to find more aphids in the garden. So we have literally hundreds, if not thousands, of these pupa all over the garden, especially in our dill and in our celery. And so now what we've been able to create is we've been able to cultivate the natural predators to the aphids and a lot of other bad bugs that otherwise would ravage our garden. So that's one of the tips of the day. So for our Green Thumb Thursday is to know that not every bug is bad, and even the bad guys you might want to let stick around a little while so that all the good guys, the superheroes, will not come unless there's some bad guy that they can come work against, right? And so that's what we let happen. And we did it specifically the way we're doing it right now. We're harvesting them out now today because all the ladybug larvae have now left the plants, and now we can harvest these ones out, and that's what all of our team is doing right around us. Got our S&S guys over here, the gals over here. They're all harvesting out some of the old stuff because the ladybugs have moved on. Now they're in a safe space. We can harvest out the old stuff and now start planting some new summer garden stuff. So we'll be getting into that even more on other videos. You can check us out each day of the week. This is Green Thumb Thursday. Hopefully your garden is going to grow awesome this year too.